Oh! So I have a bad habit of I have a bad habit of biting my nails. So I built all this to electrocute me when I bite my nails. Because I'm sure everyone's so curious how I built it, I'm about to show you right now. So first we got a tens unit. This is what actually electrocutes me. And for the nerds out there that might be like, yo, this doesn't actually electrocute you, it hurts, so it's technically the same thing. And then I got a camera. So this is my laptop that's detecting when I bite my nails. And I wrote a script in Python to detect when I actually bite my nails. I also use OpenCV for that. And then I got an Arduino. So this Arduino talks to the tens unit and it tells the tens unit when to turn on. And my camera or my laptop talks to my Arduino to tell the tens unit to turn on. So it's this whole little flow here. Okay, so take this example. Let's say Lego James is biting his nails. My laptop will detect that Lego James is biting his nails and it'll tell the Arduino to turn on the tens unit and it'll electrocute him. If this whole thing doesn't make sense to you, don't worry. It'll still probably be entertaining to watch, maybe. So this is the first thing I did. It's the face detection. It was a Python script. It's actually pretty simple. I can't close the window because I'm
super intelligent.
Okay, here I do the classic copy and paste. And then I run it without even looking at the code. And boom, it detects my fingers.
Huh?
Here I get my Arduino web server to work. So this is how it communicates to my Python script. It looks like I'm recording on an Android. I swear I wasn't. Okay, enough talking. Can I just build it? Yeah. Okay, I have the tens unit connected to this relay. If I send this code over to the Arduino, I might get shocked. I don't see anything. Wait, cut. Oh, it's working. Oh my. Dude, my fingers are just twitching. Loki feels good though. Okay. Guys, I think I finished it. So if I bite my nails, it's working. Okay. You guys see this? So it turns on for like 3 seconds. Oh, what? I didn't even touch it. What? I didn't even. I didn't even bite my nail. Okay, there are a lot of false positives, but better than nothing, right? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna test it out a little. Let's see how well it does. Okay, I'll wrap up soon, but so that's a wrap. If you got this far, thank you. Dab me up.